Alright, today we're making Crockpot Marry Me White Chicken Chili. Creamy, cozy, and ridiculously flavorful. So here's the vibe. It eats like white chicken chili, but the flavor is straight Marry Me chicken. Start by building the base right in your crock pot. Add 1 diced yellow onion, 5 cloves of minced garlic, and about half a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Then add 3 cans of cannellini beans, drained and rinsed, followed by 4 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. Now season it. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you want a little heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Place 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast right on top. Cover and cook on low for 3 to 4 hours or high for about 1.5 to 2.5 hours. The goal is tender chicken, not dry chicken, so don't let it go on autopilot forever. Once the chicken hits 165 degrees, pull it out. Let it rest a couple of minutes, then chop it up into bite-sized pieces or lightly shred it. Quick note, chopping keeps chicken breast juicier than shredding it into tiny strings, so if you've ever had dry white chicken chili, yeah, we're not doing that today. Now we turn this into the marry me moment. Stir in half a cup of heavy cream and half a cup of grated Parmesan. Give it a good stir until it melts in and the broth looks creamy and glossy. If your crockpot could flirt, this is the part where it would. At this point, you decide how thick you want it. If you like a thicker white chicken chili, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir that slurry in. Cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on high until it thickens up. Now bring the chicken back in, and here's the finish that makes it taste fresh instead of heavy. Stir in 5 ounces of baby spinach until it wilts, then add 1 teaspoon lemon zest and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. That lemony spinach finish cuts through the richness and makes the whole thing pop. Taste it and adjust. More salt if it needs it, more lemon if you want it brighter, and a little extra Parmesan on top because we have standards. Mini soul snack. Don't wait until everything is perfect to start. Progress happens when you move with what you've got and you adjust on the way. Keep showing up. Your future self is built from the reps you do today. If you want the full written recipe with exact cook times, tips, and nutrition facts, head to kelvinskitchen.com and grab the Crockpot Marry Me White Chicken Chili recipe.